Hi, so this is the handheld bidet sprayer. I'll show you what's inside. This is the instructions manual. It will basically have some main pieces. This will go to your bathtub. This is your bidet. We'll start with this first. There will be a hose inside. With the hose, there are two ends to this hose. One is the screw and then one's the softer version. So the softer version will go and attach to the hose. You have the sealing, it just comes as a protective. Just take this off. So we'll start with the softer version. Make sure this ring is inside of it. This is compulsory, otherwise you'll have leaks. So make sure it's correctly installed. And then we will attach the hose. This is very simple. Just take your hose and then spin it. So you got this nice finish. Now we'll go with the rest of the parts. Keep this aside. Now this is your main junction. This is how it'll go. So this, yeah, let's first attach. Let's go to the location and start doing it. So first you'll have to switch off your water valve. Mine is this way. Study which direction is your valve, okay? And now underneath where it connects to the base, you'll have this pipe. So we'll just open this up. Okay, so I will just open this up. You'll see some water coming out of it. That's not a problem. That's expected. Okay. Now, out of this, you'll also see this in the instructions. I'll show you which direction to hold it. It's right here. So this is how you hold it. Okay. Wherever you have this screw, you just take this and then you attach it here. So once you keep moving this, you hold it really tight and then you position it. Now you can see it's pretty tight. Okay, now we'll connect the bottom part as is. And then the last step that you do is you connect the hose on the side. Once you do this, put your water valve out to on position again.
So the water leak is because of the O-ring not present. Now the O-ring has been placed properly.
That's it. Now you switched on the water valve back. Either it's this way or this way. Let's test it out. Yeah. No, hold on. It's the other way around. So here's the holder. You can either attach this to your valve. So you just have to take the screws off, take this off completely and then attach it to the wall, or you can just use this as it is and then put it in your sink. And then you're good.